Hi there, I'm Bethany, one of the graphic designers here at Gala Tent, and I want to talk to you about the printed products that you can get from Gala Tent that can help any promoter or exhibitor to stand out in a socially distanced crowd. With our own in-house design and print team, we're able to quickly create artwork and get your custom printed products ready within days, which means you can be promoting your brand or event to the public quickly and professionally. Whether it's PVC banners in a variety of strengths and styles, promotional printed flags in even more styles and sizes, or a digitally printed branded gazebo, Gala Tent have got you covered. PVC banners are great, and more importantly, a cost-effective way of delivering your message to the crowds, whether it's to promote your event, with sponsors, or to provide direction around your event sites to visitors. PVC banner can do all of that and more, with high-resolution graphics printed onto either PVC or the popular wind-resistant mesh in potentially unlimited sizes. Take it one step further with a branded flag for your event. Imagine your visitors rolling into the venue where there are dozens of flags along either side to welcome them. How cool would that look? Flags are available in 3 sizes, which are feather, teardrop and sail flags. They're all available in small, medium or large sizes and are single or double-sided. So there's bound to be one that will elevate your event in style. Whether it's a minor logo to tell people who you are, or an all singing and dancing treat for the eyes, a printed gazebo can work wonders for any event. They could be used as ticket booths, merch stands, first aid tents, performance stage tents and much more. In the era of social distancing, imagine a festival where every social bubble is able to wine, dine and dance in their own branded pop-up gazebo. I would definitely go to it. So whether you're looking to add some colour to your event or your brand's exhibition stand, let Gala Tent give you a no obligation quote today. You just need to call on 01709 242454 or drop us an email now and we'll be delighted to help. Thank you for watching, enjoy your day. I'm Bethany, see you later.